Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Erin Monique, and here I talk all things wellness, beauty, and everything else in between. But today, darling, it's all about that vegan tuna salad. That's right. You read it right. You read the title right. Vegan tuna salad. So if you're interested in learning how to make this marvelous concoction, stay tuned. So that's it. I hope you found this video easy to follow. But yeah, it's really easy and amazing. The chickpeas, for whatever reason, smell like tuna in the can. I don't know why, but they do, and it just is pretty incredible. So like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTubey stuff, and I'll see you in my next video.